Well, here we go. Well, for one thing, FedEx kept sending me notifications altering the delivery, because I was like, I was kind of iffy if they have drivers available in my area on Sunday, because it did reschedule it actually for tomorrow, Monday. I guess I'm being more specific on these dates because I don't know if I'll post this, if I'll get a chance to post this or not. But we are unboxing, because I told y'all to stay tuned to see what I received, what kind of pool filter. And this box just arrived from Polygroup Services, polygroupstore.com. Oh, yes. That's where it's at, guys. That's what I was trying to tell y'all. Right, look here. We got them. We got them. These are the light blue ones. My blue is just a hair bit lighter, I think, but where the sun has hit it, where it's been so much use. But this is it. This is the correct fit. If you can see, it has the inter-ring. There's a difference between these and the dark blue. There really is. So I would not order any of those from eBay, Amazon, Walmart.com. Whether you pick the color, like I said, I've ordered dark blue, got dark blue, didn't fit. Then I go to another picture where it's pictured the light blue ones. They still sent dark blue. Ordered again, dark blue. But them dark blue ones, people's just rating them and not using them. Apparently, I don't know. People are you not changing your filters? Like, what's up? So, here we are. We received the correct product. Yes. Yes, yes. So, that's where it's at, guys. If you need filters for your summer wave-intex, these filters are universal. It is the correct fit. And then what was so nice, the Polygroup store, honey, free shipping. FedEx was on it, like she come in just a few days. No taxes. You can't go wrong. So, yes. Polygroup store. That's what's up. Haha. Y'all have a blessed day.